Hello everyone, I'm Clara. In this video, let's talk about 八字, the 4 pillars of destiny. Everyone has a 八字 and it's determined by your year, month, day, and time of birth. The 八字 chart is composed of 8 characters, divided into 4 pillars, representing your year pillar, month pillar, day pillar, and time pillar. The top row represents the heavenly stems, and the bottom row are the earthly branches. Just like a tree, the heavenly stems are visible, and it's what you can see from outside, while the earthly branches are the roots of the tree. They are hidden, and they are things that you can't really see from outside. Let's look at the structure of the 八字 chart. The day stem represents yourself. It's called the day master. So how do we know if a day master is strong or weak? The strength of the day master in 八字 is influenced by the surrounding elements and how they interact with each other. The element in the month branch is the most important, as it represents the month you were born in, and it plays a very important role in determining the strength of the day master. Just like the major decision maker of an organization, the person has a significant influence on the overall direction. If the element in the month branch supports the day master, then you're likely to have a strong day master. But of course, you have to look at the other elements in the chart as well. Let's have a look at an example of a strong day master. This is a person's 八字 chart, and each character represents an element. In this chart, the day master belongs to the wood element. Out of the 5 elements, that's wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, wood can strengthen the wood energy. Water can also enhance wood. However, metal, earth, and fire reduce the wood energy. This is because when metal controls wood, the wood energy gets reduced. When wood controls earth, wood energy gets consumed. When wood enhances fire, wood energy gets drained. So in summary, wood and water increase the wood energy, while fire, metal, and earth reduce the wood energy. Now back to the chart. The wood day master is supported by strong wood energy in the month branch and enhanced by the water energy in the time stem and day branch. It's very important to note the commander of the chart is the wood element. In this case, the combined energy of team wood and water are much stronger than the combined energy of team metal, fire, and earth. A person with strong day master demonstrates confidence, independence, and decisiveness. They like to embrace challenges, possess a strong career drive, and they tend to handle pressure with resilience. Now let's have a look at an example of a weak day master. Here is the chart and the respective elements. In this chart, the day master is also the wood element. However, the wood roots is quite far away in the year branch. Water is not very strong as it's controlled by the earth element. Metal is in the commanding position, and the day master is surrounded by metal, earth, and fire, greatly reducing the wood energy. Therefore, by comparing the strength of the 2 teams, this 八字 day master is considered weak. An individual with weak day master don't insist on their opinions and are open to different perspectives. They value harmony and tend to avoid confrontation. They are excellent at working in a team and cooperating with other people. However, they may struggle to cope effectively under pressure. We also need to take into consideration of the person's 10-year luck pillars and yearly luck pillars, which I will talk about in my future videos. But let's get an idea of what it means. Here is an example of a weak wood day master. During the person's 10-year luck or yearly luck phases, if more wood and water elements arrive, the 八字 will be more balanced. As a result, the person is more likely to experience good life during this period. This is the current status of a person with strong wood day master. If more wood and water elements arrive during the 10-year luck or yearly luck phases, they will make the 八字 even more unbalanced. As a result, the person may experience challenges and difficulties during this period. Therefore, in 八字, what matters the most is achieving a balance. And lastly, I want to share with you a very interesting example. In this 八字 chart, we can see the day master, wood, is surrounded by 6 water elements. In this case, wood is extremely weak and water is extremely strong. As mentioned earlier, our 八字 chart is like a tree, but the tree of the day master has no roots. Since there are so many water elements, water becomes flood that damage the tree. Therefore, this 八字 is also considered weak. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments below. See you next time.